In this video, we are going to learn about two soundings of letter C. Yes, the letter C has two soundings. One is K. Example, cat. Second one is S. Example, city. C-A-T, cat. C-I-T-Y, city. So, both the words are started with the letter C. But in one word we said K and the other word we used S. Let's see when to use K and when to use S in the starting of the word. It means if the letter C comes in the starting of the word, how to or which sounding to be used. Let's see about the sounding of K. It means K. After the word or after the letter C, if you are getting A, O, U, A, O, U, we need to pronounce by using K sounding, which is K. Let's see the example. Car, C-A-R, car. Cot, C-O-T, cot. Cup, C-U-P, cup. I hope you understood, right? Let's see the sounding of S, which is letter S. In the word, after the letter C, if we are getting E, I, Y, E, I, Y, we need to pronounce the sounding of letter S, which is S. Example, cell, C-E-L-L, cell. Cinema, C-I-N-E-M-A, cinema. Cycle, C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. So if you see, after letter C, in one word we got letter E, and in another word we got letter I, and in another it is letter Y. So we use the sounding of letter S, which is S. So far, we have learned when to use K, when to use S. So please do not forget to watch our Aaddy's Learning Zone, and don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.